This is gonna be a funny one. So, starting the video. Hello, guy. What are you doing? Whoa. You think that's cool? So, probably can't hear this. Truck's always loud, but lights. We're going to a truck show with Christmas theme. I can barely even say that, but yeah. So we got a lot of lights. We got a Christmas penguin. We got a setup going, but it's powered off of a 12 volt to 120 inverter. Is this thing like gonna blow up? No, it's working. So, yeah. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. I'm going for the most decorated trophy or the most redneck. I'm not sure. I'll run downstairs and I'll show you what we got set up in a second. Okay, turning these lights on. So I have more lights. I don't know if I want to put them on just yet because I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous about that little inverter getting really mad and blowing up. Of course, the dogs are all upstairs biting. What? They don't say, ooh. Connect 18 sets of 250 lights for a total of 4,500 lights, 216 watts. So, yeah, it doesn't really give me how many watts they are per, I don't know. So, yeah, I got 2 more sets, like I said. We got some little Christmas decoration-y stuff. We have these boxes that we're gonna wrap them in Christmas paper and just throw them in the bed. This stuff, I don't know, on camera. Yeah, okay, you can see it this way. It looks like snow, kinda. So that's gonna go under the little penguin guy. And then I'm thinking Charlie Brown Christmas tree. I don't know. We're gonna start time lapse and throwing this all together. But yeah, it's the night before the show. The show is actually tomorrow. So we're just making sure all this stuff works. Get some B-roll going and just, I'm a dork when it comes to this stuff. I love it. This is straight National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation to me.
Oh, the silent majesty of a winter's morn, the clean, cool chill of the holiday air, and an asshole in his bathrobe emptying a chemical toilet into my sewer.
Shitter was full!
Somehow we made it. We were at the style meet. I threw in a bunch of B-roll before we got here. My rear diff is making a funny noise, we'll put it that way. Turning it made a really loud, funny noise, but we're gonna check out a bunch of trucks. I gotta go pay to get in and we'll go from there. I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to hear or see in the darkness because it's kind of dark already. Woo! That thing is badass, but It's just one of those. Yeah, we got the truck lit up. There's a ton of trucks that way. I don't know how much I'm gonna end up filming. Penguin guy's inflating. Yeah, I'll get the rock lights and all that stuff on later, but I was just testing to see if it worked. It seems like everything is working. And we've got our little Christmas display in the bed here, but gotta run in, pay pre-registration and all that stuff, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, I guess. Dark. It's gonna focus. Mama, me, baby, heading back to the truck. I don't know what all I filmed from this. Just a ton of B-roll mainly, a bunch of random stuff. Didn't win anything because, I mean, you show, oh Jesus, this thing's all mad. You show up with glue and you're at a truck show with Lamborghinis and Porsches and Vipers and stuff. Not gonna win anything, but now I gotta quickly clean all this mess up, load this guy up, and start heading home. I'll get an outro there. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Chances I'm gonna get in trouble for this, I'm not quite sure. There's a whole bunch, zoom in, there's a whole bunch of cops over there with someone pulled over. But I'm over here trying to do cool B-roll stuff. I don't know about you guys, if you can even see me, I still have to run home, film the outro, but I've always wanted to stop here, grab a little clip. Feeling inspirational, feeling motivational, let's get it done. So it is actually the next morning because I forgot to film an ender. Yeah, outro, whatever you want to call it. It's cold in the garage, clearly. You hear the truck running. I was so tired when I got home last night. Me and Gail jumped out of the truck and left the driver and the passenger back door open, just wide open. Interior lights all on all night. Thankfully it didn't snow because it's actually starting to snow now. Which brings me to my next point. Today I'm running out with the wife. We're gonna go practice snowboarding. Well, she's gonna practice snowboarding because she's never snowboarded before and she wants to. I'm thinking I'm loading this guy into the bed of the truck. And yeah, so I'm an idiot. Who shows up in 20-degree weather and expects a dirt bike that sat all day not to start, or to start? Didn't work. I guess this is how I'm actually ending yesterday's video instead of the beginning clip that you saw of me saying I ended it. Don't be like me. I'm stupid. This was ridiculous. And if you see the slide marks, yeah, I tried popping it in gear the whole time. It didn't work, so she's learning some snow driving. You got plenty of space. And I'm gonna try to load this up and not die. I might set you guys up to watch me fall because I fell unloading it, but I'll see you guys later. Average Joe Builds. Enjoy your night. That's not going nowhere.